Welcome to 9 Steps Industries and introducing the Classic Side Cutter. So the Classic Side Cutter, or nipper as it's also known, consists of this particular tool here. So side cutters are used for cutting plastics off model kit sprues and also for craft use. You'll see that this one has an integrated rubber dip for the handle. It has quite a strong spring for return, and it's designed to fit within the palm of your hand so that you see how the blades are fully open. As you squeeze, just by releasing, it quickly opens up so you can cut the next gate. Okay, so these have slim jaws, you can see from the profile. So they're designed to get into very tight areas, particularly around very small parts on plastic model kit sprues. Very highly polished double blades, and these are drop forged high carbon steel with very high Rockwell rating on the tips. So they're designed to last for a very, very long time. Now on the packaging you'll be able to see, so these are the Classic Side Cutters with slim jaws. They are designed for cutting plastic and other soft materials. These have the 2-star rating, which is for intermediate use. And on the back, there is a description of the particular benefits of the side cutter, and then also some maintenance tips as well. So there we go. So that's the introduction to the 9 Steps Classic Side Cutter.